Welcome to GSD Brainers, the place where curiosity meets discovery. Have you ever wondered what happens after we die? Is there life after death? It's a question as old as humanity itself, one that has puzzled, frightened, and fascinated us for centuries. This profound inquiry, though it may seem metaphysical and beyond our grasp, is not beyond the reach of scientific exploration. We live in an era where science is making leaps and bounds in understanding the intricate complexities of life and death. And yet the question of life after death remains shrouded in mystery. It's a topic that transcends the boundaries of science, dipping its toes into the realms of philosophy and spirituality. In today's discussion, we will delve into this intriguing enigma, exploring various scientific theories and philosophies that attempt to provide answers. We'll delve into the depths of consciousness and self-awareness and see how they might hint at the possibility of life beyond death. As we ponder on this profound question, science tries to unravel the mystery. Many scientific theories ponder on the possibility of life after death. Some of them are truly fascinating. Diving into the world of quantum physics, we find the concept of quantum superposition, a principle that suggests an object can exist in multiple states at once until it's observed. It's like Schrödinger's cat, both alive and dead, until we peek into the box. Some scientists propose that our consciousness is a result of these quantum processes happening in the microtubules inside the brain cells. With death, these processes don't end. Rather, they leave the nervous system and continue in the universe. In this way, quantum physics offers a framework where consciousness, or a part of us, may exist after death. Moving on, we have the theory of biocentrism. Developed by scientist Robert Lanza, it suggests that life and consciousness are fundamental to the universe. It's not the universe creating life, but rather life that creates the universe. According to biocentrism, time and space are not objects or things, but rather tools of our animal understanding. We carry space and time around with us like turtles with shells. So there's no real death in a timeless, spaceless world. The concept of mortality is a construct of the mind, which exists in terms of linear time. In the grand scale of the universe, past, present, and future all exist simultaneously. If we accept this, then death is merely a reboot to a different level of consciousness, a different universe. While these theories might sound far-fetched, it's important to remember that scientific understanding evolves as we gather new information and develop new tools to observe the universe. Science is a journey, not a destination. These theories, while not definitive, offer interesting perspectives on the concept of life after death. While science explores the physical aspects, philosophy delves into the metaphysical aspects of life after death. When we journey into the realm of philosophy, we're traversing a landscape of ideas where the tangible meets the intangible. Here we find diverse perspectives on life after death, each offering its unique interpretation of this enigmatic concept. In the East, philosophies such as Buddhism and Hinduism introduce the concept of reincarnation. This belief posits that after death, the soul embarks on a cycle of rebirth, experiencing life anew in different forms. The quality of each subsequent life is believed to be influenced by the actions or karma of previous lives. The ultimate goal is to break free from this cycle and achieve a state of eternal peace and enlightenment known as nirvana or moksha. On the other hand, Western philosophies, particularly those rooted in Abrahamic religions like Christianity, Judaism, and Islam, propose the concept of an immortal soul. Here, death is seen as a transition rather than an end, with the soul persisting beyond the physical demise of the body. These philosophies often speak of an afterlife, a realm of existence where the soul continues its journey, experiencing reward or punishment based on earthly deeds. Then there are philosophical perspectives that challenge the very concept of life after death. Materialism, for instance, asserts that consciousness is a byproduct of physical processes and ceases to exist after death. Existentialism, meanwhile, emphasizes the importance of the here and now, often sidelining questions about an afterlife to focus on creating meaning in our current existence. Each of these philosophical perspectives offer a distinct lens through which we can view and contemplate life after death. They remind us that this concept, so intertwined with our understanding of consciousness and self-awareness, is not merely a question to be answered, but a mystery to be explored. These philosophies provide a different lens through which to view the concept of life after death. Science and philosophy. Two different approaches, yet they intersect when exploring the concept of life after death. On one hand, science, with its empirical evidence and logical reasoning, seeks to understand the physical implications of death. It scrutinizes the brain's activity, the cessation of vital signs, and the decomposition of the body. On the other, philosophy delves into the metaphysical, probing the realm of consciousness and self-awareness, asking questions like, what is the nature of the self, and does it persist after the body perishes? When combined, these two disciplines offer a richer, more nuanced perspective. The scientific findings can inform philosophical debates, grounding them in observable reality. Conversely, philosophical discussions can push science to question its assumptions and explore new avenues of research. The question remains, is there life after death? Perhaps the answer lies in the intersection of science and philosophy. How about seeking insights from individuals who have experienced clinical death firsthand? The phenomenon of near-death experiences has captivated the curiosity of many, with individuals recounting compelling stories of seeing themselves leaving their own bodies, hearing conversations while clinically dead, and witnessing their lives flashing before them. However, these experiences, while deeply personal and impactful, do not offer definitive proof of life after death. They are often interpreted through the lens of individual perception and consciousness during critical medical events. While these stories are intriguing, they do not serve as conclusive evidence of an afterlife. Rather, they prompt ongoing exploration and study by the scientific community as we strive to gain a deeper understanding of the human mind and consciousness. And yet, the fact that individuals with diverse beliefs all recount similar experiences adds an intriguing layer to this phenomenon. Despite the theories and philosophies, the question about life after death remains a mystery. In the meeting ground between science and philosophy, we've seen how these two realms intersect, with each shedding light on the other. The mystery of life after death has spurred scientific investigation into the nature of consciousness and self-awareness, while philosophical perspectives have provided frameworks for interpreting these scientific findings. Despite these explorations, the enigma remains. Yet, it's this very mystery that fuels our curiosity and drives our search for understanding. As we continue to explore, we must remember that the mystery of life and death is part of what makes our existence so intriguing. That's all for today, folks. For more brain-boosting content, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.